Hello, I'm Charlie Riggins with Pi Barker. And when we talk about protecting an industrial operation, we are usually thinking about the equipment running on the plant floor. But reliable production depends on more than pumps, motors, controls, and process lines. The condition of the facility matters. The technology behind the operation matters. And the investments being made across the manufacturing sector matter too. Today, we'll look at why specialized coatings are an important part of food safety and reliability in beverage plants, the three priorities shaping the future-ready factory, and a new manufacturing investment expected to bring 300 jobs to Cordele, Georgia. Let's get started. In beverage production, what protects the product is not only the equipment, the recipe, or the sanitation process. It is also the surfaces around the operation. A recent Processing Magazine article highlights the critical role of high-performance coatings in beverage processing facilities, especially in plants that brew, blend, bottle, ferment, or handle frequent washdowns. These facilities face constant exposure to moisture, cleaning chemicals, temperature swings, heavy traffic, and sanitation demands. That means floors, walls, tanks, pipes, and wastewater areas all need protection that goes beyond basic paint or surface covering. The article points out several key areas where coatings matter. First, food safety. In beverage plants, coatings help resist moisture, chemicals, and microbial growth. For areas with direct food contact, FDA-compliant tank and vessel linings can help prevent contamination and protect product quality. Second, asset life and downtime. The right coating system can help reduce corrosion, abrasion, and damage from thermal cycling. That matters in operations dealing with acidic juice spills, grain dust, alcohol exposure, carbonation, or aggressive cleaning cycles. Third, worker safety and efficiency. Resinous flooring can provide slip resistance in wet areas while still being easy to clean. Thermal insulative coatings on pipes and vessels can help maintain process temperatures, reduce heat loss, limit condensation, and protect employees from hot surfaces. The article also emphasizes that different areas of a beverage facility have different risks. Flooring, walls, fermentation tanks, transfer lines, rail cars, wastewater basins, and process vessels may all require different coating systems. No two beverage facilities are exactly the same. A brewery, dairy plant, juice processor, soft drink facility, or distillery will each have its own conditions, cleaning demands, and compliance needs. For plant managers, maintenance teams, and reliability leaders, coatings should not be treated as an afterthought. They are part of protecting product quality, reducing risk, improving safety, and keeping production moving. The best approach is a customized maintenance and coatings plan based on the facility's actual process, environment, budget, and risk areas. Protecting the physical surfaces of a plant is one part of building a reliable operation. The next step is giving plant leaders better information about what is happening inside that operation. And that brings us to the future-ready factory, where sensors, cameras, automation, and real-time data are changing how manufacturers manage production, safety, maintenance, and energy use. Factories are under pressure to produce more, move faster, and adapt quickly, even while dealing with supply chain challenges, limited resources, and growing sustainability demands. A recent Industry Week article explains that the future-ready factory will be built around three major priorities: efficiency, sustainability, and flexibility. The first priority is efficiency. Manufacturers need better real-time visibility across the plant floor. That means using digital tools such as AI-powered cameras, smart sensors, video management systems, and analytics software to collect and interpret data as operations happen. These technologies can help identify bottlenecks, improve safety, and support predictive maintenance. For example, AI-assisted cameras can help spot unsafe practices or missing personal protective equipment, while thermal imaging can help detect equipment issues before they turn into major downtime. The second priority is sustainability. As production demand grows, energy use becomes a bigger challenge. Future-ready factories need to understand how much energy they are using, where waste is happening, and how to reduce operating costs while meeting environmental requirements. Smart sensors and analytics can help monitor energy usage, emissions, and critical utility areas. This gives plant leaders the information they need to make faster and smarter decisions. The third priority is flexibility. Manufacturers can no longer rely on fixed layouts and slow adjustments. A future-ready factory needs to adapt to changing demand, new product requirements, and shifting market conditions. The article points out that real-time data can help factory leaders redesign workflows, adjust production lines, and optimize layouts more quickly. The future-ready factory is not just about adding technology. It is about using the right technology to make better decisions. Factories that combine video, sensors, automation, and data analytics will be better positioned to increase productivity, reduce downtime, improve safety, manage energy use, and respond faster to change. Of course, smarter factories still need skilled people, production space, and investment behind them. And our final story shows how those pieces are coming together in rural Georgia. A Georgia-based company is preparing to bring new manufacturing capacity and hundreds of jobs to an existing industrial property in Crisp County. Governor Brian Kemp has announced a new manufacturing investment coming to Crisp County. Yancey Engineered Solutions, a Georgia-based engineering and manufacturing company, plans to invest $5.7 million in a new manufacturing facility in Cordele. The project is expected to create 300 new jobs over the next several years. The new facility will be located at 502 South Midway Road in Cordele, where Yancey plans to refurbish the former Big Tex manufacturing facility. Yancey Engineered Solutions provides power generation packaging systems and is part of Yancey Brothers Company, the authorized Caterpillar dealer for Georgia. The company says the expansion will help meet growing demand in an important market it serves. For the local workforce, the project could bring opportunities in several hands-on manufacturing and support roles. The company plans to hire welders, quality control technicians, assembly workers, and drivers. Local officials in Cordele and Crisp County welcomed the announcement, noting that redeveloping the former Big Tex site could help bring new life to an existing industrial facility and create opportunities for workers in the community. State economic development leaders also highlighted the broader importance of the project. Yancey Brothers has been part of Georgia's industrial story for more than a century, and this expansion adds another chapter to its role in supporting equipment, power, and manufacturing needs across the state. This is not just a facility announcement. It is a sign of continued investment in Georgia's rural manufacturing base. By reusing an existing industrial site, creating new jobs, and expanding production capacity, Yancey Engineered Solutions is positioning Cordele and Crisp County for long-term economic growth. Across all three stories, one theme stands out. Strong industrial operations are built in layers. Protective coatings help beverage plants maintain sanitation, safety, and equipment life. Digital tools give manufacturers better visibility into production, maintenance, energy use, and changing demand. And investments like the Yancey Engineered Solutions project create the facilities, jobs, and production capacity needed to support future growth. For plant managers, engineers, maintenance teams, and procurement professionals, staying competitive means looking beyond a single piece of equipment. It means protecting the entire operating environment, using better information to make decisions, and understanding how regional investments may affect the workforce and industrial supply chain. I'm Charlie Riggins with Pi Barker, and thanks for spending a few minutes with me. For more industrial news, practical insights, and support for pumps, compressors, blowers, and vacuum systems across Georgia and Florida, visit pibarker.com. Until next time, stay safe, stay productive, and keep those systems running.